Chris. Have a try of that.
Okay, so we have about 3 or 4 minutes before we get off. I'm just going to turn the music down a bit so you can hear me. Okay guys, so welcome to the 2023 15th edition of the Conway Half Marathon. So you're joined today by over 3,000 runners from all over the UK and overseas. We know we've got people here from Australia, Japan, all over the place. So I hope all your training and hard work pays off for you today. A little breezy out there, a little bit wet, probably going to be a bit more windy when you get to the Great Orme. Sorry. Okay, so some course details. The route leaves the bridge and goes across the causeway. It's then left to take you along the coast road for about 4 miles. Then it's along Church Walks to the pier. From here, it's uphill and undulating for about 2 miles. Until you reach the Rest and Be Thankful Cafe. This is where you will start your fast downhill for about 2 miles. Then it's tracing your steps back to the finish along the coast road. There are there are 3 water stops throughout the route, and there are approximately 3.5 miles, 3.5 miles, 6.5 miles, and 9.5 miles, and of course water at the finish, and a little gin and tonic at the finish as well. You'll see that afterwards. Non-alcoholic, I'm afraid. Okay, so you must drop your bottles in the bags provided near the water stations. Do not drop your bottles on the floor. It just makes running awkward for people behind you. Also, do not drop your gel packets on the floor. If anyone's seen doing this, they'll be withdrawn from the results. Okay, all of the main roads are closed. However, as you know, during other races, some motorists choose to ignore the closure signs. So please be aware of traffic at all times, and do not overtake runners by weaving through the cones. This is very dangerous. Okay, so some of you may know that a local, on your descent, your fast 2 miles going down the Orme, just recently some people have been trying to do an extension on a property on the Orme, and they've dug under the road, so they've had to partially close the road coming down the Orme. So it's only about 20 metres, but you're going to go to single file for about 20 metres on your downhill come down the Orme. So just be aware of that, guys. And I do apologise, it's completely out of our hands. Okay, so if you've taken part in the 4 Castle series, then your huge medal holder will be available at the merchandise gazebo. Don't forget it. Have your photo taken by the Castle's banner when collecting it. Okay, guys, can we have a big up for the guys those that have done the 4, finishing today with the 4 Castles? They've done the Snowdonia Half Marathon, the Carnarvon Half Marathon, the Bangor Half Marathon, and they're doing today's Conway Half Marathon. Big round of applause. Well done, everybody. Okay, so from here, I'd just like to say a big thank you to all the race helpers, marshals. Without you, this race would not happen. Also to our sponsors, Cattrevi Conway Housing, Creating Enterprises, Brecon Carrick Water for keeping you hydrated. Just a reminder that results will be on runwales.com later this afternoon, and pictures from today's race will be on midcoilphotos.com also later this afternoon. And finally, before we set you off, don't forget the Conway Half Marathon next year is the 17th of November. Online entry is open from midday today. So if you enjoy it, get online when you get back home and use those massive 30% off vouchers. No other race organisers will give you this. So love Wales, love Run Wales. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it looks like we are now ready to start the 2023 15th edition of the Conway Half Marathon. My name's Chris York, your race director. I wish you all the very best today. And while we're here, a Merry Christmas and a Happy Running New Year. Good luck, everybody. I'm just going to hand you over to the Mayor of Conway, and she's going to be setting you off.
Welcome you all to a very wet place and wish you all a really great race. Stay safe, good luck, and we'll give you our countdown and see you at the finish line. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Good luck, guys. Enjoy yourselves. Be careful out there. Don't push yourselves too hard in this weather. There's always another time for a PB. Good luck, guys. Well done, paces. Fantastic. Good luck, guys. Enjoy yourselves. Be careful out there. Enjoy, guys. Enjoy yourselves. We'll see you at the finish in an hour or so. Yeah, of course we will. Good luck, guys. Enjoy yourselves, everyone. John Evans, good luck to our pacers. Excellent, well done, guys. Fantastic. You're all amazing, just turning up today in this weather. Don't forget, the wind will be a little bit more breezy when you get over there. Kingsley, have a good one. Good luck, guys. Woohoo! Go for it, yes, enjoy. Good luck, guys. Have a fab race. Love Wales, love Wales. You're all live on Facebook, don't forget. Woohoo! Yes, hope your family, friends are watching. Don't forget, we've got loads of cameras up there, so keep smiling all the way. Yes, you know you want to. Woo! Good luck, guys. Enjoy yourselves. Enjoy it. It's a fantastic half marathon. You'll love it. Rain? Ha! What rain? Go for it. Come on. Da, da, da. Woo! Go, go. Yeah. Enjoy yourselves, guys. Woo! Woo! Oh, the singing's awful. Loving it. Enjoy, guys. You're going to love it. Pointers. Hey. Well, good luck, guys. Good luck. All the best. Hey. All right, mate. Go ahead. Good luck, guys. Enjoy yourselves. Stay safe. Remember, don't weed in and out of the cone. Just enjoy. Don't go for PB today. Don't leave the PB today. It's too wet and windy. Just enjoy it. Enjoy the scenery. Woo! Go, go. Yes. Loving it, loving it. Reaching out. Come on, hands in the air. Yeah. Go, go. Woo! 6, 6, 3. Whoa. Yes, go guys, enjoy yourselves. Brilliant. Oh, you're looking so good. see you cross the line later. Enjoy, guys. Fantastic. Oh, how many of you? How many? Wow. And they're still going. Look at that. Amazing. Amazing. Good luck, guys. Enjoy yourselves. Be careful out there. Woo! Yes. Enjoy, guys.